Today's video is sponsored by myself and my webshop hsMVY.shop. Please go check it out. The new website is now live and we're constantly adding new products to get you a better shopping experience and the best possible tools and materials for your hobby needs. In episode 1, my wife got started on the engine build of this Corvette, and then after finishing off some of those parts, it was time to move on to a couple of exterior bits here and there that came in the first packages, like the hood, the front bumper, and some other components all round. Once those were completed, the build was handed off to Kevin, my friend, who is finishing off a lot of these 1:8 scale builds in order to do the chassis, the interior, and also the exterior. So as usual, as far as voiceover goes on these 1:8 scale builds, I'm not really going to do all that much as the build kind of speaks for itself. If you want to follow along with this build, you can download all of the instructions on the Agora Models website, and of course if you're interested in purchasing one of these for yourself, also again links will be in the description down below to Agora Models where you can buy this one and many other 1:8 scale builds as well. Also, on a side note, I'm not going to be adding any music to the background of this video. I've been getting a lot of complaints about the music not being that great, and I'm fully aware of it, but I have to do with some free stuff, and free stuff is usually not that great. Same as these videos, they're free, so they are not the highest production quality. Now, I understand that there are many services out there that provide better music, although these platforms need to be paid, and since the channel is going broke pretty much, I can't afford to buy any music for videos that aren't really making any money. So if you know any other platforms that provide free of charge music that is quality music and sounds a bit better than the stuff that I've been using, do let me know in the comments down below. And of course, if you want to financially support the channel like a couple of others have already done, you can join the Patreon or also become a channel member, which is very much appreciated in these tougher times for the channel. And I'm trying to keep it alive, but it's not really all that easy with ad rates going down, etc., and I don't want to overload the videos with sponsored content. I hope you understand my points. Enjoy the video. Sorry for the rant, and I'll see you guys next time.